In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience using this home cupping therapy set.
Before you use this tool, make sure you consult a healthcare professional before using this product. This is how it looks like. This whole thing is made of plastic. So are the cups. If you look at the cup closely, it has this opening here where the air are being sucked out. And make sure you sterilize before and after using it. Let me show you how I do this. Make sure your skin are clean, and if you like, you can sterilize it or just use some salt water to clean your skin. Next, I'll apply some oil, so making sure that this is easier to glide. And there are different sizes of the cup, so for smaller area, you use the smaller cups. For a small area, on an arm for example, I will just use the smaller one. I put this into here, and then I'll just put on the area where I want to suck. And if you think that it is too tight, you can also release it. You can release by squeezing here, so it is released. Usually I will do this for 5 to 15 minutes, and if you find that it's very uncomfortable, you should release it by just squeezing here. See? After doing this for a while, you start to see that the skin will turn red. So what I do is when the time is up, I will just release it. Most people will see this red ring, but this is normal.
We are quite satisfied with this product. It does help us to release a bit of a muscle tension.